Getting started with the Huepar laser level with tripod is quick and simple. Step 1. Set up the included tripod, adjusting the height from 11.4 to 25.6 inches. Use the quick release plate to mount the laser securely in seconds. Step 2. Unlock the pendulum and switch to self-leveling mode. The laser will automatically level within 4 degrees. If it's off level, it will flash to alert you. For angled lines, lock the pendulum and switch to manual mode. The laser will flash every 5 seconds to remind you it's locked. Step 3. Adjust the tripod's 360-degree swivel head for perfect positioning, whether you need vertical, horizontal, or cross lines. When finished, always switch to manual mode first, then press the power button to turn it off properly. With its compact, durable design and precise green beam, the Huepar laser level makes every project faster, easier, and perfectly aligned.